guys, Zander or Galaxy the Geeks here, and today I will be hoping some Deadpool Dice Masters boosters. Now, as you all know, Dice Masters is an interactive card building game where you have a decks and you fight other people with their decks. So, let's get straight into it. Okay, so time to open our first pack. Looks like we have chimichangas, and I don't really know who that one is. Yes, we have free chimichangas. And Mr. Sinister. Okay, on to our second pack. We have Black Bolt and Angela. So there's Angela. There's Black Bolt. Third pack. We have Multiple Man and Angel Dust. I think that's hollow or reverse Angel Dust. And Multiple Man. Fourth pack. Stepford Cuckoo and Lady Bullseye. There's Stepford Cuckoo. There's her dice. And there's Lady Bullseye and her die. On to our final pack. Colossus and Domino. There's Colossus. Where's his die? There's Domino. Hey guys, so that is the end of this video where we opened these packs. Now, in the comments I want you to leave suggestions for other videos and what I should build my deck on. Now, I know I haven't been posting for a while, there's been school and lots of drama and stuff, but I will be trying to post every other week. But as always, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notifications so you're notified when I upload, and hit the like button. As always, peace.